The next topic we'll cover in Azure Data Factory is the data orchestration process. Data ingestion. Data is ingested from a variety of data sources. This could be on-premises SQL Server databases, external data, or any other supported data sources. ADF supports a wide range of connectors that can be used to pull data from these sources. Data can be ingested in batch or real-time modes depending on the requirements. Data storage and transformation. After data ingestion, it's often stored in an intermediate storage for processing. This could be Azure Blob Storage, which is a scalable object storage for unstructured data. For more structured analytics-ready data, Azure Synapse Analytics, which is an analytics service, can be used. At this stage, ADF pipelines can transform data by cleaning, shaping, and enriching it using mapping data flows. Analysis. Once the data is ready, it's then loaded into a data model for analysis. This is where Azure Analysis Services come in. It allows you to build semantic models on your data, which provide a consolidated view of your business data and support high-performance reporting and analytics. Visualization. The data model can then be used by reporting tools like Power BI to create visualizations, dashboards, and reports that provide actionable business insights. Security and authentication. Throughout this process, Azure Active Directory is used for authenticating and authorizing users. It provides identity and access management services, ensuring that only authorized users have access to your resources and data. And there you have it. That's an overview of the data orchestration process in Azure Data Factory, from raw data to insightful visualizations, all while being securely guarded.